Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Dr. Jerry, your poultry partner. So I'm here today to show you the poultry pen that we're building. This is a 2,500 capacity pen for a battery cage system. So it is going to have 3 rows of battery cages, each row carrying 10 units of the battery cages. And then these are the pillars that we have systematically installed so that it will conveniently contain the cages, and the pen is well designed to meet your need for maximum use of the available space. So it's going to have a row of cage, a walkway. This is your walkway where your wheelbarrows and anything can pass through, while this place that I'm standing on is the gutter where the droppings of the birds are going to fall into, and you clean it from time to time. So with this design, you're going to have a very neat poultry environment with the litter well contained. So come along. Because of biosecurity plans and concerns, you're going to wash these cages from time to time. And with this system, it's easy for you to clean your pen, wash, and when you wash, the water will be channeled through these drain pipes, which we have designed here. So these are the drain pipes that will collect your wash water when you are maybe sanitizing your cage or you're washing your pen thoroughly. So it will flow out and goes through the drain outside for proper disposal. So this is it. This is your cage. This is your pen. I mean to say, it's a 2,500 bird capacity pen, and it is simple design, well built for maximum impact, so that you can actually get good production at a convenient space. So that is it. If you want to set up your farm, you don't just start your farm anyhow. You don't just build anyhow. You have to get your specifications right. You have to know what you want to do. You have to get the design correct so that you get your production. If you can see these poles, they are high. It's a 12 feet tall pole. We have about 1 feet, 1.5 feet down the ground. So we have roughly 10.5 feet high. So it gives you good ventilation for your birds, and then you get better production. So if you want to start your farm, you want consultancy, come to us and we're going to help you design the best farm that suits you, that suits your location for maximum production and good profit. So thank you for watching. I'm going to show you again the next phase of the work as the work progresses. Thank you.